In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in iMessage on an iPhone using iOS 18. Now, it might come as a surprise to some of you that iMessage doesn't natively support rich text formatting such as bold, italic, or underline right within the app. But don't worry, there's a creative workaround that will allow you to achieve that bold text look you're going for. Let's get started by using the Notes app, which will act as our drafting tool. First, go ahead and open your Notes app on your iPhone. If you're used to jotting down quick notes or lists, you're already familiar with this app, but today we're going to utilize it for something a bit different. What we're doing here is taking advantage of Notes' capability to apply rich text formatting. Once you have Notes open, type out the message you wish to send in bold. Whether it's a single word, a phrase, or an entire paragraph, this will be your starting point for the formatting. When your text is already in Note, you'll need to select the portion you want to bold. Simply tap and hold on the text until you see selection options, then drag the selector to cover the desired portion. With your text highlighted, look for the BIU option if you're on iOS 17, or if it's been updated to iOS 18, you might see a format menu represented by the AA symbol. This menu is where all your formatting abilities are located. Select bold from this menu. You should immediately see your text change to a bolder, thicker script, which will make it stand out just as you like. Once you're satisfied with your formatted text, the next step is to copy it. This is a straightforward process. Simply tap on the selected bold text and choose copy from the options that appear. Now head over to your iMessage, open the conversation where you wish to send this bold message. Once in iMessage, tap in the text field as if you were about to compose a new message and choose paste. Your text will appear exactly as you formatted it in Notes, bold and ready to deliver. This simple trick lets you customize the way your messages look without native support in iMessage. It's a great way to highlight important points or simply change up your texting style, and there you have it, an easy workaround to achieve bold text in your iMessages. With a bit of creativity and some help from the Notes app, you can add a new layer of expression to your messages. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and tricks to get the most out of your iOS device.